Breathing exercises can calm our bodies and improve our lung muscles. But what if you want another way to boost lung health? A food packed with vitamin C, E, beta-carotene, and magnesium, and is an antioxidant powerhouse. From protecting lung tissue to supporting immune function, spinach has got you covered. Vitamin C, found abundantly in spinach, is an antioxidant that helps protect the lungs from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. It also supports the immune system, helping to fight off infections and reduce inflammation in the airways. Vitamin E, another antioxidant present in spinach, works alongside vitamin C to protect lung tissue from damage. It helps maintain the integrity of cell membranes and may reduce the risk of developing respiratory conditions such as asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A found in spinach, is essential for lung health as it supports the production of mucus, which helps trap and remove harmful particles and bacteria from the airways. Additionally, beta-carotene may reduce the risk of lung cancer and other respiratory diseases. Magnesium, abundant in spinach, plays a role in muscle function, including the muscles involved in breathing. It helps regulate the contraction and relaxation of the muscles around the airways, which can improve lung function and reduce the severity of asthma symptoms. Easy to add to smoothies, juices, salads, soups, and add some color to your main meals. If you want to partner spinach with a simple breathing exercise, check out a simple video in the description below. Subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the bell for notifications of our other videos to partner with your wellness journey. Thanks for watching.